j'ai longtemps utilisé un punch manuel emmanché qui donnait un travail extrêmement précis mais relativement lent et
I
fatigant.
had been using a manual-handled punch for years that used to give extremely precise work, but pretty slow and exhausting, so I had then decided to design a motorized system.
Une accélération ou une décélération.
My idea was to use a pedal similar to that of a sewing machine because I like the flexibility of the motor, which allows an acceleration and deceleration according to how we engage the pedal. I also developed a system that gives the punch an alternative oscillatory motion. Unlike the usual rotative motion, hair is not damaged.
Deuxième partie de cette invention est le punch trompette qui, à mon sens,
The second part of my invention is the trumpet punch, which I am sure will definitely take over classic sharp punches.
sur sa périphérie
It cuts but only the outer edge, however the inner edge has smooth and funnel-shaped profile.
entonnoir. Alors, ce punch désigné comme
And this punch, called Hybrid by Dr. Tikosinski, marries the qualities of sharp and dull punches.
non coupant. Il coupe la peau
It penetrates the skin, and once inside, it's not very aggressive
agressif. C'est plutôt un rôle de
and has a more dissection roll than a cutting roll.
Et ceci permet
This allows to push the punch much deeper without actually damaging the hair and thus to speed up extraction.
d'accélérer l'extraction.
A very original particularity of the invention is the possibility to sharpen the punch with slurry stones that can be sterilized.
Stérilisé. Et c'est ce qui permet
The punch can thus be used during 4 to 5 surgeries, unlike almost all the punches on the market. This particularity makes the punch very economic.
également très économique.
All these settings provide an extremely meticulous work, similar to what we can do manually while being faster, more precise, and also less exhausting.
Plus rapide, plus précis et aussi moins fatigant.
This difficulty also suits unexperienced doctors who often have difficulties with sharp punches.
Souvent des difficultés avec des punchs coupants.
They manage to extract pretty beautiful grafts on their first trial, and for experienced ones, it is also interesting because they can immediately notice an improvement of the graft quality.
C'est intéressant car ils voient immédiatement la qualité de leur greffe augmenter. Elle comporte moins de transections.
Grafts are less transected, chubbier, richer in hair, and I think it's a determining factor in terms of regrowth.
En matière de repousse. Alors, j'ai eu l'occasion de recevoir toute une série de
I had the chance to welcome well-renowned colleagues such as Dr. Wong, Dr. Shapiro, Dr. True, Dr. Tikosinski, and Dr. Colley who are delighted and enthusiastic.
Ils sont très très enchantés et enthousiastes. Donc le manifeste
This system is clearly attractive in its simplicity, in its efficiency.
par le fait que réellement le taux de
The transaction rate is significantly lower, the graft quality increases, and the extraction speed is well and truly proven.
la vitesse d'extraction est bel et bien présente. Et cerise sur
The icing on the cake, the cost price of the procedure is clearly lower than that of surgeries performed with sharp punches.
Donc tout ça me permet
All this explains why I'm so optimistic about the future of this new FUE extraction system.